Are you this parent who constantly worries about what happens to my child if she gets bullied in school? What happens if somebody just tramples over her? I think every parent, and especially mothers of very shy children, go through this. Here's the pro tip: teach her to stand up for herself. By standing up for herself, I don't mean picking up a fight there. That may not really help, and I wouldn't suggest that. I mean, she should just hold her stand and call out the bully. Like she could just say, "Stop being such a bully. Stop bullying me." And she'll have to be very loud about it. Right after that, she'll have to exit the scene because it's important that we stay safe in such a scenario and that we don't have any violence right after that. Even a verbal fight can lead to mild violence, and we don't need that. And here's the most important thing: please don't make them feel ashamed about it. This will empower the bully to act the same way. In our seminar, we're going to talk a lot about gender sensitivity, and we're going to make them do a lot of exercises on what's acceptable, what's not acceptable to be spoken in public, and definitely a lot of lessons on diplomacy.
And go.
The workshop is starting from 30th April to 10th May. Register now.